right, today we're going to show you the benefits of foam rolling for runners. A foam roll is a really great tool to use for tissue flexibility. We can use it pre-post workout for fascial and muscular stretching. It's also a very good tool for fluid movement out of the tissue post-recovery. So the calf muscle is a group of two muscles, your gastroc and your soleus, that runs from the back of the knee down to the Achilles tendon. And the technique is pretty straightforward. What you're gonna do is go ahead and lie down. We can do this on one leg or two. Personally, I like to do two legs. And we're just gonna gently start with the feet pointed straight up. You're gonna roll down to the back part of the knee, then come back, go slow. If you find any areas of particular tension, commonly you'll feel some tenderness or a restriction of motion, we can put our focus just gently on there. The technique that I like to do is to go towards the knee and then back. We'll do a set of 10 to 20. If you do find a knot in there, you can pause on that. You'll feel some tenderness, wait for that tenderness to release. And then what we do is we turn the legs out, rotate that lateral component, and then when we're done with that, you're gonna turn in and rotate, or excuse me, roll through the medial quadrant. Any areas of tenderness, again, you can stay on, wait for the release, or just roll back and forth and avoid contact with the bone.